Hello affiliators, Foods are helping you find your foods folks, and today we'll be having K&K Barbecue Inn's spicy chicken wings here on Foods folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes our soul and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods folks worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We have timestamps so you can skip through the video and the parts you want to see. And we just want to say thank you to Jennifer for the recommendation. Here we go, Jennifer. This is the spicy wing that you asked for. Beautiful. Plus with the rice. Yeah, so Jennifer, you know I'm not a spicy person, so this one's for you. Here we go. Okay. All right. Let's have the rice. Now it actually is supposed to come with the mac salad. However, I asked for just double rice, all rice. That was the drumstick. I believe this is the, it looks like the wing. No, it's another drumstick. Actually, this is okay. I give this a 4.3 out of 5 stars. Now, like I said, I'm not a spicy person. However, I'm able to handle the spiciness in here. It's very mild. It's nice and crispy. However, there's not too many flavor in here. There's slight bitterness to it. It's little, slightly, yeah, the seasoning in here is not as much. So it's not as flavorful. You can have just a little bit more salt in here. It'll be better. Yeah, it's not sweet. The thing about this is nice and crispy. Yeah, the batter in here is really good. The crispiness. When you fried it, wow. However, the flavor wise, yeah, it's not as really as flavorful. However, it's not dry. Good amount of moisture in here, making it easy to eat. Yeah, and it's not as spicy. We have the rice. The rice is good though. Nope. If you want spicy, somewhat a spicy, crispy wing, this is for you. However, the flavor is subtle. Unless I got a batch that wasn't as flavorful. Let me have this another one. Give us another. Yeah, the flavor is still lacking in flavor, and there's a slight bitterness to it. It's not really throwing it off. However, if there's more flavor in here, would have been better. Yeah. However, that quite crispy though is good. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos.